Let's learn how to create a paragraph on our web page. To create a paragraph, we need to have an opening tag. To create an opening tag here, I need to have angle brackets open, P, angle brackets close. This is the opening tag here. I also need to create a closing tag. How will I create a closing tag? Angle brackets open, /P, and then angle brackets close. This is my closing tag. Whatever text you want to have inside paragraph, that text you can put it inside this. Here I'll write this is a paragraph. Now once I did this here, at the right side, a paragraph is created. Let's create this paragraph. I'll copy this and then here I'm going to have a paragraph opening tag. I'll have a paragraph closing tag here. Whatever text I want to have, I will put it in between this. Here at the right side, a paragraph is created for me. Here we have something called as bold tag. Opening tag will look like this. Angle brackets open, B, angle brackets close. Here we are also going to have a closing tag. I want this part of my paragraph to be in bold. So here what I will do before this, I'm going to have angle brackets open, B, angle brackets close. After dummy text, I need to close this here. Angle brackets open, /B, and then angle brackets close. Once I did this, we have made this part of the paragraph in bold. Now, if I forget to have this closing tag, the entire paragraph will be made bold. But we don't want this, right? That is the reason why whenever you're opening any tag, make sure that you're also closing that tag. Let's learn how to create this heading. I'm going to have angle brackets open, H1, okay, angle brackets close. This here is the opening tag of heading. If I want to create a closing tag, what do I need to do? After angle brackets open, I need to have / here H1 and then angle brackets close. Now, inside this, I can have whatever I want to have. Welcome to HTML. Now, did you see a heading is created here? We have 6 heading tags here. I will be creating a heading using H2 tag here. Here I'll write this is heading 1. And after this, here I'm going to write this is heading 2. Here I'll write this is heading 3 here. As the number is increasing, the size of the heading gets decreasing here. I'll have H4. I will have H5. I'll have H6 here. So now to create the main heading, we are going to use H1. And to create the side headings, we should use H3 and H4. H1 should only be used for the main title of the web page. If other headings also look as big, as bold as the main heading, your web page will not look good. That is the reason why it is always a good practice if you have only one H1 in a web page. If you want to make a part of your paragraph italic, in this case, here we have this I tag. This I tag also has opening. It also has closing here. I'm going to take this opening tag, put it before everybody. And now I'm going to take this closing tag and put this after the genius. Now can you guys see the difference? Everybody is genius. This is looking in italic. It is different than the rest of the paragraph. So now similarly here we have BR tag. Here in this case, I will use this BR tag here. Now when I did this, what is happening? The entire paragraph is starting from the next line. This is your break line tag here. BR does not have ending. It is also called as self-closing tag. We don't need to write a separate opening and a separate closing for a BR tag. What we can do, simply after this BR here, I can put a /. Now what will happen after